Okay, quick question. When you think of studying business, do you think of a windowless lecture hall, or do you think of this? Welcome to Nice, France. This is not a vacation. This is my classroom for today.
And the best part, learning doesn't stop when the lecture ends. Study breaks take place in open-air markets, historic cafes, and coastal trains. Merci. Here, you're not just learning global business, you're actively living it.
And on weekends, Nice keeps you connected. With an international airport, a new adventure is always within reach. And you are never on your own. Eccles students and local staff support you every step of the way.
And once again, you're not doing it alone. Eccles Global on-the-ground partners help you feel safe, secure, healthy, and supported from the moment you arrive. Think studying abroad will delay graduation? Think again. Eccles Global offers 4 ways to go global while staying on track. First, required business school classes. Learn from University of Utah faculty and staff in destinations like Nice, Barcelona, London, and Rome while earning credits towards your degree.
Or complete a specialized business minor in a full summer program in places like Asia and Europe.
Looking for a career head start? Eccles Global offers international internships in locations like Barcelona and Tokyo to help you gain real-world experience before you graduate.
Schedule packed? No problem. Choose a high-impact fall or spring break adventure with destinations like Japan, New Zealand, Dubai, Lisbon, and others.
This could be your competitive edge. Recruiters want more than just a GPA. They want to know that you can handle the real world.
Studying abroad changes how you think, how you solve problems, and what you believe you can do.
This isn't just a line in a brochure. This is a chance for you to redefine your college experience, your career, and maybe even your life. The world is waiting. Where will you take your degree?
Go Global, go Eccles!